Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Will tell you about my family. I have very good grandparents. I am their first grandchild, and I also have good uncles and aunts. They already have 3 children. My cousin is very close to me. My father was the first child, then married my mother, and I became his first child, then had one younger brother who I love very much. This all the story for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.